Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Dr. Tawfiq Abubakar Hussaini, an Associate Professor of Islamic Modern Development with Bayero University, Kano, Nigeria. I am the Director of the Center for Islamic Civilization and Interfaith Dialogue, Bayero University, Kano, Nigeria. I am pleased to introduce to you the Center for Islamic Civilization and Interfaith Dialogue, Bayero University, Kano, popularly known as CCID BUK. It is the Nigeria's only and leading independent center established for the study of Islamic civilization and the contributions of Muslims to the development of the modern world, and also engaging various faiths for interaction and dialogue, aiming at national cohesion, development, and peace building. At the same time, the center explores its continued relevance to addressing the challenges of modern times. The center was established in 2015 with the view to educating the world about the beauty and the splendor of Islam and contributing meaningfully to the ongoing peace building and conflict resolution discourse and drive. Our vision in the center is to be the leading center of excellence in Islamic civilization and interfaith dialogue in Africa. The Center for Islamic Civilization and Interfaith Dialogue is a leading provider for intellectual platform of interfaith dialogue dedicated to delivering excellence in better understanding on how to use religion to foster national unity, peace, and development. With a team of highly skilled professionals from the academia and administrative, and a commitment to innovation, CCID BUK strives to pursue the quality researches on the broad aspect of Islamic civilization and interfaith dialogue to promote sustainable peace and conflict resolution. As we embark on this mission, we look forward to building stronger partnership and making positive